So, kahit anong ipaanap, hangga't meron ka ng calculator na iyan, kung gusto ninyong gamitin at willing kayong gamitin, pwede naman. I will allow you. And in fact, I can teach you a lot of shortcuts using that calculator para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan sa inyong mathematics subject sa akin. Okay. So, yun, naituro sa inyo yung calculator. Kahit anong hanapin mo dyan, pwede. Kung yung rate, baliktarin natin, ibibigay ko dito, kunwari, is 3. Palitan ko yung 0.04, make it 3. If we're looking for the rate of interest, ibibigay sa atin ng calculator. I'll just press shift calc and then equal. And that's it, 0.04. So, in decimal yan. Multiply ko ng 100, we have 3% as the rate of interest. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-cross multiply o mag-transpose. As it is, substitute mo lang sa formula na I is equals to PRT. Kung ano yung hinahanap, gawin mo siyang X. Can you follow? Ang hinahanap, gawin mong X. Can you follow? And then the rest, substitute mo yung mga given ng mga given ng problem natin. So, ganun lang yung diskarte dyan. So, let's proceed to problem number 2. Any question with problem number 1 kung paano nahanap ang 18,000 na interest earned? Question?
Opo, sir.
So, proceed tayo sa ating problem number 2. So, again, slide show ko siya.
Ay ko, puta ko pa kanda ka. Me. Liwa yan.
Last, this is recorded, so please do not talk, please na, yung medyo masagwang pakinggan sa ating video anak, Alam niyo naman na nagdi-discuss tayo, so please paki-off yung mga audio natin. So tapos na tayo sa problem number 1. Let us now proceed to another problem. So problem number 2, pakibasa mo nga Johnny Gamboa. Johnny Gamboa.
2 years loan of 500 is made with 4% simple interest. Find the interest earned.
Okay. So this is just a very easy problem. Pinapaanap yung I. 2 taon daw yung loan. So definitely this is our time. Pag sinabing loan, investment yan. Mangiiram ka. So 500. O kaya pwedeng invest mo yan. Yung 500 para kumita. Sa loob ng 2 taon na kung saan ang transaksyon ay magtatapos sa rate of interest na 4% kasi yan ang napag-usapan. Kung yan ang magiging kondisyon, sa palagay ninyo kung may calculator kayong awak, ano ang sagot sa problem na yan? Kasi binigay ko na yung formula, definitely you can calculate for that directly using your calculator. It's very easy. Anyone?
40 po, sir.
40. So that is Mr. Jason Taruk. So 40 pesos. So let us see if Mr. Jason is correct. At kapag tumama ka dito, Jason, may plus 10 ka sa quiz next week. Okay. So given, the following can be obtained from the problem. Principal, yan ang puhunan, 500 pesos. Rate of interest is 4%. To be converted into decimal before doing any calculation, and that is equal to 0.04. At time of 2 years, walang problema kasi naka-express na kagad sa years. Pero katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kapag yan is number of days, convert sa year. Kung number of month, convert sa years. Solution. I is equals to PRT. 500 times 0.04 times 2. Batumpak. May plus 10 ka, Mr. Jason Taruk. So, okay yung ganyan. Dapat malalakas ang loob ninyo lahat. Mga future criminologists pa naman ang course ninyo. Dapat malalakas ang loob ninyo. Okay. From this, we conclude that the investment earned is 40 pesos. Sa alagang 500 piso na ininvest, na napatawan ng 4% simple interest rate sa loob ng 2 taon, 40 pesos. Then, hindi pa tayo tapos, no? Kailan na pa thank you sa slide na yan. Kasi marami tayong nakaabang na PowerPoint. So, let us proceed to the next PowerPoint. And this is it. Slide show ko lang para mas klaro. Okay, for the continuation, kanina, napag-usapan natin ang kita o yung interest. Kapag ang puunan, dinagdagan mo ng kita, P. Di ba? Yung puunan is P. Yung I is kita. Puunan plus kita, ang tawag dyan, full amount or future amount. Or F is equals to P plus I. At yan, no? The simple way to calculate the full amount would be to just find the interest and then add it to the principal or present worth of the investment. The simple method, however, is to use the following formula. Future value or F or the full amount. Future value and full amount were just the same. Puunan plus kita or P plus I. Idadagdag mo lang yung kinita mo doon sa puunan mo. So yun na yung present worth mo ngayon dahil kumita ka na. Yan ang tinatawag nating future value or future amount or full amount. Now, let us have some algebra practice here. Alam naman natin ang value ng I, di ba? I is equal to PRT. Sabi dito, F is equals to P plus I, but I is equals to PRT. Now, yung I, dito, papalitan ko ng value ng I, which is PRT. Now, instead na F is equals to P plus I, magiging ganito yan. F is equals to P plus PRT. And then, since naturuan ko naman kayo through my videos about factoring, kung papansinin ninyo itong bibilugan ko, yung first term at saka second term parehong may P. So pwede kong i-factor out ang P sa P plus PRT. And the outcome is this one. So we only have two formulas na tatandaan dito. The F is equals to P plus I and this one. Yung una yung nasa taas, yung bibilugan ko, saka yung nasa baba. Yan lang, sapat na. Kung may calculator ka, nung tinatawag nating kaso FX. Kasi kahit diyan ka na mag-substitute, at yung inaanak mo is gawin mo na lang X, as it is mo siyang i-type, pindutin mo lang sa ending yung shift calc, ano man lang hanapin mo dyan, ibibigay ng calculator ng ganong kabilis. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-cross multiply or mag-transpose ng mga terminologies or mga terms or ng mga variables. Example number 3. Let me give you example using the F full amount formula. A business takes out a simple interest loan of 15,000 pesos at a rate of 6.5%. What is the future amount the business will repay if the loan is for 8 years? So, tanong, magkano yung future amount niya? And alam naman ninyo kung paano hanapin ang full amount. Para mahanap mo ang full amount, hanapin mo muna yung kita na idadagdag mo sa puhunan because F is equals to P plus I. Explaining that, among of you, sino kaya ang pwedeng magbigay ng value ng full amount kahit na hindi pa natin nasusolve ang problem? Again, another opportunity for another plus 10.
18 years. sir.
Ano yung sagot? Ano yung full amount? So we're talking about money. We already have the principal, which is 15,000.
780.
Yun ang kita. Sino yung sumagot? Sino yung sumagot?
Martin po.
Martini yan. So ang sagot mo, 780 pesos. Tama ba?
1,000 po. 1,000 po.
Magkano? 700?
22,800, sir.
22,800. Sino yung sumagot?
Ako po, sir. Jason po.
Si Martin, sagot mo 7,280. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Inalap ni Martin is yung I. Ang ibinigay ni Jason is the full amount. So pinagad na kagad. Okay, tingnan natin. E di paras ko kayong bigyan ng plus pag pareho kayo tumama. Okay, let us see. But of course, we'll talk about the given first. Okay? The total amount the business will repay is the future value F. Sulat ko pa ba kaya dito mga given? Tingnan ko nga. Okay. Time is definitely 8 years. R is 6.5%. If I will convert it into decimal, 0.065. And the principal is 15,000. Using the simple interest formula for future value, F, direct substitution, 22,800. So ang ginawa ni Marty, ganito. Inalap muna niya yung I is equal to PRT. So, direct substitution, mahanap niya is 7,280. Okay? So, kapag inad niya yan sa 15,000, ito rin yung sagot na makukuha. Si Taruk naman, diniretso niya. So, both of you, again, will receive plus 10, both. So, ilan na plus mo, Jason?
20 po, sir.
20. Si Martin Ian. Jason, during the quiz next week, pakiremind nyo ko, Martin and Jason, no?
Yes po, sir.
Pakiremind nyo ko sa mga plus inyo. Okay, deal yan. Hindi ko pwedeng bawiin yan.
Yes, sir.
Ibigay ko yan sa inyo on the spot. Okay. Thus, the business will pay back a total of 22,800 pesos. Difficult ba ang topic natin? Walang kahirap-hirap, di ba? Kung binalitan ko man yung problem, halimbawa, hanapin mo yung P, binigay ko naman sa calculator, kanya, laruin natin yung problem na yan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kunwari lang, i-show ko lang, no? And show ko siya. Okay. If I will open this calculator again, opo siya, no? Mode 1 ko ulit. Okay. Kunwari, ito yung given. Ang pinapahanap is this one, the P. Now, if this is the formula that we have, as it is, kung ano yung itsura ng formula, ganyan mong gamitin. Ganyan ka mag-substitute gamit ang calculator. Yung F nasa kaliwa, edi type ko yung value ng F, 22,800. Assuming ang inaanap natin is the principal. So equal, type ko yung equal. Inaanap natin is P. So instead na P ang i-type ko dahil yan ang inaanap natin, ang ita-type ko alpha and then X. And then naka-parenthesis yan, edi parenthesis ko. 1 plus. Ano ba ang R natin? 0.065. I-type ko yung 0.065 times. Ano ba yung time? Time natin is 8. So type ko yung 8. Close and then another close. Kapag nag-open ka, kailangan magsara ka. Ito. Nag-open, kailangan may ka-partner na closing. Then pipindutin ko lang is shift calc. As you can see here, makukuha natin uli yung 15,000 na yan. Ayun siya. Guess ba natin? Kuha ba natin? Klaro ba ang paggamit ko ng calcu? That if you have a calculator like this. If you will buy, sa Pandayan, I think it costs 1,000 to 1,200. Or maybe may 800 yan, baka mas mababa pa. Pwede ninyong gamitin yan sa iba ninyong, kung may iba pa kayong mathematics, I think ito lang yata yung mathematics ninyo. Pero kung di naman, kung ayaw niyo naman ng gano'n, pwedeng tandaan na lang ninyo yung mga formula. Kanina ibinigay ko yung mga formula na, eto no, dito ko ta-type. Kanina binigay ko yung mga formula. I-slide ko siya ulit. Sana ba? Dito tayo kanina, no? Okay, i-back ko siya. Kanina lang, pinaliwanag ko yung formula ng triangle. Ayan, di ba? Para hindi nyo makalimutan ay yung taas and then sa baba, PRT. R and then T. Kapag P ang inaanap, takpan mo lang yung P, I over RT. Kapag R ang inaanap, I over PT. At kapag time ang inaanap, I over PR. Okay? Okay, kapag hindi nice yung close, paki-close yung camera para hindi nakikita. Okay? So I is equals to PRT. Okay. I is equals to PRT. Kung tasakpan mo yung I, ang formula ng I, PRT. Kung tasakpan mo ang P, ang formula ng P, I over RT. Kung tasakpan mo ang R, ang formula ng R, I over PT. Kung tasakpan mo ang time, I over PR. So yun yung diskarte. So hindi ka na mahihirapan sa pagkabisado ng mga formula. Minsan kasi tinitwist yung problem, bibigay yung interest, ipapaanap yung P. Or ipapaanap yung R, ipapaanap yung time. At least alam na ninyo yung mga formula. Now, for the continuation, other formulas are these. If you want to solve for the principal, yan, di ba? Yan yung pinapaliwanag ko kanina. Ito, nanggaling sa triangle kanina yan. Ito naman yung isang formula pa ng P. F over 1 plus RT. Or, when solving for the rate of interest, it can be obtained by using this formula. I over PT times 100%. O kaya, sa time naman, I over PR. So you will have a copy of this. Pwede naman ninyong panuorin ulit ito dahil recorded naman. And then, example number 5. Questions so far? Any question? Okay, look at this. If you will borrow money from your friend with simple interest of 12%, find the present worth of 20,000, which is due at the end of 9 months. Solution? The following can be obtained from the following. Now, if this is the given, no? 9 months yung time. Anong gagawin ko sa 9 months? Anong gagawin ko sa 9 months? This is the time. What will I do before doing any calculation?
Divide,
Anyone?
sir.
Divide ko lang ano?
12.
Okay, very good. Malyario well. So again, may plus 10 ka rin. Malyario well sa next quiz. Okay. Mr. Jason Taruk, pakisulat mo ha. Si Malyario well may plus 10. Si Martin Ian may plus 10. Ikaw may plus 20. Okay, the following can be obtained from the following. What is? F, that is the future worth. Kasi pinapaanap ang present worth ng 20. So ibig sabihin, ito yung future, ito yung full amount. R is 12% or 0.12. Time is 9 months, so divide it by 12. So we have 0.75 year. 0.75. Now what is being asked is P. Using the simple interest formula for present value, ito yan, di ba? Yan. Kung wala ka ng calculator na inaanap ko kanina, ito yung formula mo. P is equals to F over 1 plus RT. And then direct substitution ka lang. 20,000 over 1 plus 0.12 times 0.75. You will have a value of P which is equal to 18,348.62 pesos. So yun yung present worth ng 20,000. But if you have that calculator that I am requiring you, if possible, kung gusto niyo bumili, no? Ito siya. And so ko lang, no? Bigyan ko na ibang calculation process dito. Eh di yan, di ba? Kaya lang, dito sa number 1, ito yung formula na ginamit natin, di ba? Copy-paste ko lang siya. O, dapat yung formula na yan. Balikan natin yung problem number 7. So, type po dito yung formula. Copy-paste ko lang. Ito yung formula, di ba? Now, kung may calculator ka, ito lang sapat na. Hindi mo kailangan kabisaduhin yung iba. Yung kukulayan ko ng kulay red, kahit na ito lang ang meron ka, nakalimutan mo yung ibang mga formula, ayos lang. Okay. Pero kung di mo kabisado yung ibang mga formula, saan na ba ako? O dito ko nalagay. So, cut ko ulit, no? Okay, kakat ko siya. Dito pa lang pala tayo, yan. So, lagay ko siya dito. Ito. Number 5. Ito siya. Type ko dito, no? Okay. Now, kanina, ito yung ginamit natin na formula. Yung i-highlight ko. Kaya lang, disadvantage, sobrang dami naman ang kakabisaduhin mo. Pero kung alam mo to, basta may calculator ka, okay na. Tingnan nyo, no? Gagamitin ko yung calcu. Let us see if we will obtain the same result of 18,348.62. The F, ito tayo, F is what? 20,000. So I'll type 20,000. 20,000 alpha calc. What is being asked is P. So instead of writing it as P, I'll type alpha X and then open. 1, ito yung 1, plus. So I'll type plus. And then what is R? 0.12. So type ko yung 0.12. Then times 0.75 yung time. So 0.75 close. And then I'll just press shift calc equal. And that's it. Pareho lang ang makukuha nating sagot. So yan yung problem number 5 natin. Klaro ba mga anak yung explanation ko sa problem number 5? Klaro ba? Hello? Klaro ba yung explanation ni sir?
Opo, sir.
Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed to another problem. How long will it take for the sum of money to be doubled by using the simple interest rate of 20%? Dito kung titingnan nyo, parang walang given na iba, kundi yung 20% lang, no? Kapag sinabi kasing double your money, ibig sabihin yung principal mo, pagdating ng future, magiging doble. Kung piso yan, magiging 2 piso. Kung 5 piso yan, magiging 10 piso. Kung 30 pesos yan, magiging 60 pesos. Or kung ang principal mo is 50 pesos, ang F mo is 100 pesos. Pwede ka mag-assume. Kahit lalong i-assume ninyong number, na dodoble ninyo, mag-arrive lang kayo sa parehong sagot ng time. Now, if we will do this, ito yung mga given natin. The following can be obtained from the problem. R, 20% or 0.20. P is equal to X. If P is X, then F is 2X. Or if P is Z, then F is 2Z. If P is 1, then F is 2. So, ganun lang. Hindi nyo kailangan pahirapan yung mga sarili natin. Basta lagi lang natin dinodoble ang anumang ibigay nating amount or value ng P. And then since may P and F na tayo at R, pwede na nating hanapin ang time. Using the simple interest formula for the future value, using this. Yan. Okay? So substitution. Substitute the value of R, P, and F. 2x equals x, 1 plus 0.20, then time. So dahil parehong may x ang left and right, actually yung parehong x yan will be cancelled. So 2 is equals to 1 plus 0.20 of time. Now, if I will transpose 1 to the left, magiging 2 minus 1 yan. Sa left equals 0.20. So that we can easily determine the value for time, we divide the entire equation of 2 minus 1 is equals to 0.20t by 0.20. Kumbaga, yung left and right, i-divide ko ng 0.20. And the answer is actually 5 years. Okay? 5 years lang yung sagot. Now, para hindi kayo mahirapan, ito yung shortcut, no? Kapag ganyan yung problem, okay, ito yung shortcut. Bigay ko na. Wala sa libro yan, ha? Yan, na-improvise lang natin yan. T is equals to x minus 1 over r. Yan, para hindi na pag-isipan. Ano yung x? Kapag double, ang value ng x mo, 2. Kapag triple, ang value ng x mo is 3. Kapag quadruple, ang value ng x mo is 4. Kapag quintuple, ang value ng x is 5. Ulitin ko, no? X is 2 if double. X is 3 if triple. X is 4 if quadruple. X is 5 if quintuple. Ito yung spelling ng quintuple. Ibig sabihin, 5 ulit. Yan. Quintuple. Yan. Yan. Dapat alam niyo yung mga ganyan. Yan. Quintuple. Yan. Hirap magsulat ng gamit ang mouse. Okay, alba, pinalitan ko yung problem. How long will it take for the sum of money to be triple by using the simple interest rate of ganito? So, substitution ka lang dyan. Ito na yung shortcut. Hindi na natin pinahirapan pa katulad ng ginawa natin dito. And you know what? This is not written from any book na babasahin ninyo kahit na English author yan. Ito is diskarte lang yan. Improvise yan. So let us proceed. As the period of time is equal to 5 years. So yan ang sagot natin sa problem number 6. So again, another problem. What is the simple interest rate applied if an investment of 47,500 accumulates to 55,500 in the period of 6 years? Okay, again, I'm giving plus to this problem. Sino kaya ang pwedeng makapag-calculate niya? Sige, ang makakuha dyan, makakuha ng tamang sagot dyan, ng ano ba pinapahanap? The I. Ay, the R. R ang pinapahanap. What is the simple interest rate? Sige, yung makakuha, yung unang makakuha lang, pakita mo na kasi kayo para alam ko yung mga nagsasolve. Yung video ninyo, yan, sa right. Hindi ko mahanap yung mga pieces ninyo eh. Yan. Yung makakapag-solve, okay, this is a deal. Sa midterm, may plus 10. Uli. Bumigat na, kanina, quiz lang. Yung makakuha ng sagot dyan is plus 10 sa midterm. Hindi ko muna solve.
%2.63%, sir.
2.63%. So let me see if Mr. Jason Taruk is correct. Okay, dami mo lang plus ha. May plus 20 ka na sa quiz. Ewan ko ngayon dito, no? So solution. The following can be obtained from the problem. Of course, this is RP, the principal. Kasi mas maliit eh. Natural lang, kikita tayo. So 55,000 ang future amount. Ang time natin is 6 years. So pinapaanap is the R. So using the simple interest simple interest I, and rate of interest R. I is equals to F minus P. Yung muna ginawa natin, no? So nahanap natin na ang value ng I is 7,500. So sinubtract ko muna ang P sa F para malaman natin yung kabuuang kinita lang niya sa loob ng 6 na taon. And since I is equals to I over PT, may I ka na, may P na, at may time. Ano sagot mo, Jason?
2.63% po.
2.63. Next. Okay, so that's a deal. Ilan kasi yung plus mo sa midterm? Plus 10 ba? Plus 10 ba nabanggit ko?
Opo.
Okay, very good. So, very good. Good job, anak. You have plus 10 sa midterm. So, may plus 20 ka na sa quiz, may plus 10 ka pa sa midterm. So, gusto ko lang ganyan, yung mga nagpa-participate, dapat lahat kayo matuto tayo mag-participate para mas active yung lecture natin. Okay, very good. So, you did well, anak. So, thus the simple interest rate is 2.63%. And that's problem number 7 about simple interest. And that's all about simple interest topic natin. The rest of the session will be given to you by video ng simple interest. Actually, ang dami kong video dyan. 2 lang pinakita ko ng mga slides. And then the rest, makikita ninyo dyan yung approximate time, yung actual time. Doon yung matututunan directly sa mga videos natin. Hindi kakayanin kasi ng panahon, ng oras kung lalatin ko sa online. Yung iba ay pinapadaan ko sa videos para mas solid yung matutunan nyo from me sa lesson natin. Now, after this slide, I'll be proceeding to another PowerPoint presentation which will be given to you again this day. So, ito yung pangatlo. Yan. So, the next is about simple discount. If you have the simple interest, of course, you also have the simple discount. Na-experience na ba ninyo na mag-loan, na manghiram sa mga lending investor? Sa lending investor, pag manghihiram ka, yung hihiramin mong amount, actually, hindi yun ang eksaktong makukuha mo kung minsan eh. Tama? Depende sa nagpapairam eh. Minsan yung kita nung nagpapairam nakaawas na. Babawasan na. Kung miram ka ng 5,000, hindi naman talaga 5,000 ang marireceive mo. Kumbaga, mautak yung nagpapairam, kinuha na kagad yung kita niya. Did you get it? Did you get that? Naintindihan ba natin? Nakuha na kagad yung kikitain niya. Naka-discount na kagad doon sa alagang iniiram. Okay. Para mas klaro, no? Alimbawa lang yan, no? Okay, so let's proceed. Simple discount is also known as a bank discount. Bank discount is the amount that the bank deducts from a loan in advance. Nakadeduct na in advance yung amount, yung discount, yung kikitain ng bangko sa'yo. Dahil umiram ka eh. Di naman pwedeng hindi kumita ang bangko dyan dahil umiram ka sa bangko. And that is legal kasi business yan. Ang formula na ginagamit natin sa simple discount, FDT. Kung kanina, minumultiply ang rate of interest sa principal. Ngayon naman, ang discount rate, minumultiply natin sa full amount. Ang kaibahan lang, I is equals to FDT. Now, ito yung version niya para hindi kayo mahirapan sa pagkabisado ng formula. Parehas lang. I, then FDT sa baba. F, para hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-memorize ng formula, no? Yan, D, and then T. Ito yung T, no? Mahirap lang magsulat. Kapag ginalap mo ang F, takpan mo ang F, I over dt times 100%. Kapag hinanap mo ang di over ft, kapag hinanap mo ang time I over fd, kapag hinanap mo ang y, takpan mo ang y, fdt. Nakuha ba natin? Naintindihan ba yung triangle? Tatakpan mo ang f, may formula ka ng f, I over dt. Takpan mo ang d, may formula ka na ng discount rate, I over ft. Takpan mo ang t, may formula ka na ng t, I over fd. Takpan mo ang y, f dt. So, ganyan lang kasimple yan. Okay, ito yung mga legends. Kapag ginanap mo naman ang principal, less mo lang ang I sa F. P is equals to F minus I. Wherein actually, kapareho lang ng kanina yan eh. Kapag linipat mo ang I sa left, magiging P plus I. Di ba? Puunan plus kita is equals to F. Kapag linipat mo ang I sa left, magiging positive I. So, I plus P is equals to F. Parang sa simple interest din. Okay, nagbago lang yung approach natin dito sa paghahanap ng I, no? Okay, so let's proceed. We're in. I is the simple discount, the interest deducted from the amount of loan. Kumbaga, kinuha na kagad yung interest. Kinuha na kagad yung tubo. Kung umiram ka ng 5,000, kung 5,000 yung full amount mo, yung marireceive mo is the present. Okay? Hindi naman totaling 5,000 ang ibibigay sa iyo. Iram ka ng 5,000, ang ibibigay sa iyo, iaawas na yung patubo is 4,000 plus na lang. Pero ang babayaran mo 5,000. Ganun lang 'yon. Okay? So F is the future value or the future amount. Total amount to repay or simply known as the face value. And then D is the rate of discount. Katulad sa rate of interest kanina ng simple interest, sa rate of discount, kailangan ang rate of discount naka-express into decimal during calculation. Pero kapag final answer, kailangan naka-convert yan into percent. Time. Period of time in years. Okay? So, kailangan naka-express din into years. So, let me give you an example. Okay, P is the present value or the principal amount. Okay, may I see all of you first? Before I proceed? How to solve for the future value? And this is the formula. F is equals to Y dt. How to solve for the time in years? Yung binakita kong triangle kanina, I over FD. And the rate of discount, I over FT times 100%. Pag may triangle ka lang, madaling tandaan yung mga yan. Hindi nyo kailangan kabisaduhin o i-memorize. Drawing ka lang ng triangle, marirecall ninyo yung mga formula lang yan at may susulat ninyo ng mabilis. If the discount period is a number of days, kapag nasa number of days, i-divide mo lang ng 360 para ma-convert mo yung number of days sa years. Sample number 1. Ignacio Guzman borrowed 25,000 for 90 days and he was charged a bank discount of 6.5%. What is the bank discount and the proceeds that will be received by Ignacio C. Guzman? What do you think is the answer here? Ano yung value ng I? Ano yung value ng P? May I see all of you? Anyone who can solve for the problem? Okay, plus 10 ulit sa quiz. Another plus 10 sa quiz. Who can answer? Since I already gave you the formulas that you need. So may plus pa lang si Jason, si Martin ni Ian at saka si Owel. Yung